I love science, so I think that the more people who love science, the better. The Science Gateway is a mechanism that makes data or resources or a particular sort of workflow that generates some scientific result easier for people. And I think that it also allows children, I think younger folks who may not have to worry about all the software and how to install it, how to run it, all that stuff, to be able to try things. So I love that it's used a lot now in teaching students about science. And I got into computer science when my dad first started taking a computer science course. So actually I took my first course with my dad. And I discovered that I like it, and it's actually kind of easy for me. It fits the way I think, and I also find it very creative because you can take code and make it help you do something. Science Gateway is a marriage, I think the perfect marriage of the two, because I get to work with different scientists from different fields, and I get to learn a little bit about their science, which I think is awesome. And then I get to use what is fun and easy for me to do to help them to discover something. I think the ultimate joy is to be able to share it with the world.